So, ready for the final round? Ready? Yes. Numbers are 6, 14, come up. 6, 14, 16, 22, 7, 15 and 17. Yes. So final round played today. Okay. Topic is that leadership begins with a single step. Leadership begins with a single step. Okay, your time starts now.
Good afternoon, friends. As our topic suggests, the leadership begins with a single step, and I would like to have the same example as I had in the previous group discussion, that is of Mahatma Gandhiji and Anna Hazare, and also the famous personalities whom you know, that they are the step makers for other people. So the people right now, or the people behind them, are the followers, and they are the initiators, or you can say that they have taken initiative to contribute something to the society. You can also give a kind of example who have invented something in technology, and they have tried to do something new. So you can have examples of Henry Ford, who invented the car for the first time, that is a diesel car. So he was the guy to perform certain experiments. You can have an example of the scientists like Newton and so, Newton, Ampere and all. So they tried to contribute something to the society, and they, yeah, surely can be termed as leaders. So that would be for me a kind of base for our discussion.
Yours is a good point. I would like to say that, as you said that they are those who initiate means they are good leaders. I don't consider that those who initiate, all of them, they are not good leaders.
Yeah, maybe the initiation will provide a path for them to be leaders.
But it is not rightful that it is always right that they go to that path only.
Leaders are good motivators also. You get motivate from the leaders because they are taking an initiative. Even you get motivation from them. Even you try to initiate yourself in any other field.
But depends on what field you are.
Excuse me, leaders are there who is leaders first. Means he had the guts to take the first step.
Excuse me, guys. I like to quote.
This man, what he did was right, and decided to follow him. For example, we had Microsoft, Bill Gates. He took the first step in his first step in the
computer.
Excuse me. I just like to quote.
Coming to the
I'd like to quote you all with one sentence. I like to quote you all with one sentence. It is said that a mother is the best management teacher and the best leader for a child. A person, wheresoever he lives, he learns what his mother teaches. Take up an example, APJ Abdul Kalam. Let's take it, Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani. let's take it Abraham Lincoln. They all have been, if you read the book by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he has written a special poem on his mother.
But it is
He
not
has
speaking
written a
on the
special
topic,
poem.
not a single step according to
Speaking
me.
about the topic,
I mean to say that the first
Let us just keep it point to point and let us allow
Exactly.
everyone to speak and keep their point.
Let me just
So
complete
please speak at a time so that we can listen
Let me
properly.
complete my point first.
Listen, we are just diverting away from the point.
Yeah.
What
should allow everyone to
is
speak.
every leader starts in leadership with a single step. This is totally true. I agree with it. I don't know. Because see, Wright brothers, Thomas Alva Edison, Isaac Newton, everyone, Bill Gates, the modern example.
Yeah.
And each and every person started this grand, this grand world of himself by just thinking once. That he was sitting alone. Suppose he was sitting alone. Then he thought to change the world, and he had done. He had done. He had done. Create a world. Create a modern world.
Can we just relax?
To create a modern world, to unite a leadership, to make
Please,
the world.
let us have a kind of
What
environment
is-
that can be, I mean,
Exactly.
you
To
can
make the world
discuss
a
easily.
very,
One minute.
my friends,
Can we have
First,
Vishak, please? Can we have Sanat?
Please let him complete.
Let one person speak and then
Please
allow.
let him complete.
What is saying? To make a world a better place, we have to start with some point. Okay, some particular point we would have to start. ऐसा नहीं कह सकते हम. We can't say that we'll conquer whole the world at the same time. Okay. भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने इन महाभारत उन्होंने भी कहा था, उन्होंने भी अर्जुन को ये उपदेश दिया था, उस टाइम पे उपदेश दिया था युद्ध के टाइम पे. उस टाइम पे लॉर्ड कृष्णा इज कंसिडर्ड एज द बेस्ट लीडर. ओके, उन्होंने एक श्लोक पे पूरी महाभारत खत्म कर दिया है. इज कंप्लीटेड होल महाभारत ऑन वन श्लोक छठे शतम समाचरे. ओके, सो लीडरशिप क्वालिटी कम्स with the initial step, what you are thinking on the starting stage, and that gives you the point.
But coming to the point of leadership on the first step, I would like to just speak out of my point.
Yeah.
I would like to say that leadership by step. I would like to present you two examples. One, Mahatma Gandhi.
Exactly.
Second, Rahul Gandhi. The same surname.
Yeah, I would sorry appreciate your point. I appreciate it.
Let me complete. I won't speak. I won't take much of your time. Please let me complete.
No, I am allowing you to complete. Just
I'm really loud to listen. You have great sweet voice. I would really loud to
Fine,
listen.
it's not a debate, it's a cheating.
I would really
Let
like.
us
please
continue.
continue.
Please. You have got two. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi started his what we get for leadership from his basic childhood to from South Africa. Then he came back to India. He is regarded as one of the greatest leader.
Yes.
Same as Krishna. But Rahul Gandhi, he is no leader. But it was not a step by step. He gave a huge glance. I would like to quote that he got it as a virasat. We could say that. So that is, let's say that the point comes that leadership starts from basic one step. You need to come from the even Ratan Tata.
That is
Ratan
what I'm
Tata
telling.
started
That is
from the
what I'm
basic
telling.
and became the CEO. Started from the
Leadership, first of all, leadership means self-implementation.
It is
A leader is one.
step
A leader
according to
is
me.
That
a
is
one
what
who
a good
first
leader
implements
is.
it. Mahatma Gandhi is known for his non-violence because he first implemented it on himself.
And
A
actually,
leader
yeah,
first
but
first
that was a
implements
process.
things on
I
himself.
would like to add a little point to you if you want to contribute to this. That as my friend talked about differences of the same surname, I would like to add a very nice example that the difference between Bhagat Singh and Manmohan Singh. Both these personalities are totally different. If you are trying to view it, so Bhagat Singh, the leader. Let me make my point.
Leader can be a good leader can be a bad also. Example, you have your principles.
Let me make my point clear.
How you think it is? For being a leader, you need guts, you need bravery, you need knowledge.
surely.
You need
Exactly.
to take an
That is not an only
That is
not
not
a
comparing between Bhagat Singh. If you are
Sonali,
comparing between Bhagat Singh and Manmohan Singh, so let me tell you, Manmohan Singh had taken an oath that he will be abolishing the Lokpal bill, right? Lokpal bill, but he didn't need that. He didn't need that. So here it shows his leadership, and the leadership of Bhagat Singh is shown that he had fought. He gave up his
He gave
life.
his whole life to
He
the
gave up his
cause
whole
of
life
India.
to say that leadership is
not
for the
a
country,
single-
and that is why he is remembered still, and I don't think so Manmohan Singh will be remembered for next 10
So that's the thought. That's the thought that
Leadership
coming to the point that
Let my
I
friend
say that leadership is not single step thing. It is a process. What I feel, it is a process. As you said about Gandhiji, he did not from the starting, from the beginning. As a child, he was not a good leader. What happened? He went to South Africa. He saw there. He himself felt that he has to lead. He has to do it. It was a process that made him lead.
So
He is a leader by heart.
leadership is an evolution process. The best leader comes out from an evolution. The process is to take the first step. And
A person is a leader by heart. He cannot learn things.
let him just conclude his point.
differentiates persons from others. I would like wouldn't be Bill Gates if he would have thought that koi dusra karega. No, he had the guts. He thought that no one is there. I should go. I should do this, and he had the guts and he did it, and people followed him. Same with Steve Jobs. He started his company with 2 employees and an investor, and today that company is the most valuable company in the world. So these examples shows that yes, if you have the guts, you will be the leader and people will follow you.
But they are truly leadership according to me rather than being good leaders. See, they are not lead. They are just setting examples.
They let people to work for them. They are leader, but not like Mahatma Gandhi or Bhagat Singh, but they are leader in their field.
But instead of
Excuse me, guys.
even
Everybody's individual.
when Steve Jobs
Everybody's
was
individual.
obviously
Like, we have one
Everyone-
admirer, we have one inspiration. And
Exactly.
for me, the inspiration is Kalpana Chawla. So I'm thinking that where Kalpana Chawla was, I should be there at some place. So for me, she is the.
So that's the leadership term is only termed as a respective term, you can say.
It's not a single step. What we say is that Ratan Tata,
is
look at
not a
Ratan
single
Tata.
Single step.
You look at Ratan Tata. He started as a basic manager of his company, and he by step.
So that was a process.
Step by step, he went. Learn all. You need to learn how to climb each step, so that the next time when you fall, you know that how you had climbed earlier. So leadership, it comes by step by step. Ratan Tata today is regarded as one of the greatest and one of the best leader in the business.
The term leader cannot be just classified.
He was if he wouldn't have performed good at elementary level, then too he would have been the leader because he was the science.
Exactly. Exactly. Let me tell you something.
but
A
it
leader
was-
is a person who
Let
begins
my
from
friend
the very first. But that is leadership is not a. It is not a single step, but it starts with at your home. It starts from the basic elementary level.
Yeah, so the term leader,
What you all are
term
what you
leader.
all are saying is all about the quality. What you all
Yeah.
are saying is all about the quality that a leader must possess.
Yeah.
But it is not about the quality. It is about the quality. To be a good leader, you must have those qualities.
you need to have certain qualities.
That's what I said. You
at the
should
same time-
have bravery for
let me just complete.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you must have that criteria, that plan. At least to make a plan, you have to start from some point. Okay, you can't just create a building. You just can't just
No,
create a building.
you need supporters.
At a
That is
given
why
point.
the leader
You
can
have
be-
to create a map. You have to create a design. You have to create like that. Okay, so it is a multi-stage process. Okay?
So actually, I would like to agree with your point. That
Topics
You
which
have
are
to
talking
create your own
about
example
quality.
to show others.
It's about quality. You know, I will give you an example. I will give you an
Let
example.
my friend speak. Let my
Excuse me,
friend
guys.
speak.
Excuse me,
Excuse me,
guys.
guys, we are making
A leader is not a person. A leader is not a person who does not commit mistakes. He is a person who learns from his own
Of
mistakes.
course.
Exactly.
He does not
Exactly.
repeat it. That is what is the
Another thing I would like to add, that the term leader does not stand alone. He needs to have followers.
Yes,
So
exactly.
this
That's
is the
the
difference. This is the
Mahatma
difference
Gandhi
you
was
can
a
make.
leader by heart.
If a person is having a good group of followers, or he
Diverted
is
from the topic. A topic is leadership a single step? It is not.
it's not a single step.
So it is a process.
That is where I am trying to
You are not-
say
you are
that.
not-
Single step, but a leader who has the guts.
But we are not citing out the properties of good leader.
See, Ashutosh, you are talking about the quality. You are talking about the quality.
Let's not talk about. Excuse me.
What the topic is, what is about the process? I will give you an example.
Excuse me, excuse me.
Let's just keep this topic.
Ashutosh, I will give you an example. I will give you an example. Taj Hotel. Tata. It is the property of Tata Group. Tata Group of hotels. Okay. I have heard somewhere that under the British rule, there was a person named Tata. He was refused to enter into the hotel because that hotel was reserved only for Britishers.
Only for British.
Okay. After that,
J.R.D.
he had. Sorry?
Talking about Mr. J.R.D. Tata.
I'm sorry. I still. So what I'm saying, at that time he started that he will create
Exactly.
he
That
will
is-
create a group of voters which will lead not only in Indian country but in the health of fame all around the world. That was the point. That was the initial
Larry
point.
Tata was inspired by
Exactly. That was the initial
First step
for
that he took, and today we know what Taj Hotel is. He had the guts and he took the first step. That's
It's not about good. It is about good. What you are saying, it is about good. It is about good, but for having guts, you must have to start from somewhere.
Yes, sir. That's the quality of leader. That's what was.
For the initiation.
That was the point my friend was trying to make.
Excuse me, there were thousands of Indians who were kicked out of the hotels and theatres where Indians and dogs are not allowed.
That's what I'm saying. Why are you saying you're good?
Many,
He's talking
many
about good.
Indians were, many Indians were kicked out of it. But the one which had leadership qualities, who arose.
So that was the.
So if we try to discuss leadership,
That was the
if we
initial
try to
point.
discuss leadership, then
You
we need to
yourself-
have the good
you
and
yourself-
stable
that was the
leader.
initial point. That was
We
the
need to
initial
see
point.
at the positive side of
Stop
leaders and
talking
we
about
need
the
to have
past.
We are
examples.
pretty much going out of the
So
topic.
friends. Every person in this world is having some special qualities.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The only thing is to express himself or herself in front of the world. Okay. You are showing your guts. It's your quality. Okay. But to show your guts, you must have to start from somewhere.
So
Okay.
that's the
That
kind of
is the
initiation.
That is the initiation.
That is the initiation.
Because every person, Steve Jobs from his garage.
You should be brave
Steve
enough
Jobs
to
from his
analyze
garage
your-
started. Steve Jobs from his garage started the world's #1 IT company that is known as Apple. From his garage,
Time
he
is
showed his
over.
guts.
Excuse me, time is over. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So please take your seats. And, very soon we are going to announce the results. Okay, so now let's create a little bit excitement because actually I've got the marks and we have done the calculation also. So what do you think? Who should win? Okay then. Okay. Sanal is a very strong candidate. Is there any other? Ashutosh. Wait. Okay. Badge number. I just remember the badge number. Okay.